Hello, you wanna see how I achieve this ogbono soup with bitter leaf? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm cooking ogbono with bitter leaf. So yeah, I have minced meat, cowleg, sharki, abodi. So I'll add it. I added one seasoning, minced onion, salt, powdered onion, pepper, crayfish. So I'll cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So yes, after 10 minutes I added water from the kettle. I'll give it a good stir. And I'll cover and cook it until it is soft and tender. So I came to check on it, it is well cooked. So I added my overnight soaked stockfish. I added hot water from the kettle. I gave it a good mix. I'll cover and cook it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I gave it a good stir and I added my ogbono. I microwaved my palm oil. I added it inside my ogbono and I mixed it together. So now I'm going to mix it very well. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family. If you can share my videos out. Also check my channel, you might find videos that can be helpful to you. So I added more water and I gave it a good mix. So I'll allow it to cook. So yeah, you see the oil floating. When your ogbono is floating like that, you know it's cooked. So I added my dried fish, my crayfish. Now I'm adding my bitter leaf. So I'm going to stir and give it a good stir. So next I'll be adding my scadfish and my mackerel fish. So I'll give it a good mix. I tasted for salt. It needed salt, so I added salt. So I will mix again. So now I'm going to allow it to cook for some time. So at this point, our soup is ready. Thank you for watching.